Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we dealt with how do we find out the angle between the two cables. And in this video, I am going to find out the projected component of force F along the cable AC. So, according to the dot product formula, it is nothing but A dot B, which is equal to AB cos of theta. We know about it. But what if I am going to find out the projection of A vector along the direction of B vector? So, this formula can be written as A dot B, which is equal to the A vector magnitude with lowercase b vector into the b vector magnitude. This is basically the general expression which help us to find out the projection of A vector along the direction on B vector. So, the question number 2139 says that determine the projected component of force F acting in the direction of cable AC. So, the expression can be written as RAC. RAC, it is basically the position vector into the FAB vectorial form, which is equal to the F along the direction AC according to the question requirement into the magnitude of FAB. This is the general expression which help us to find out the magnitude of F along the direction AC. So let's work on it. Now, from the equation number 1, we know the position vector of AC and the FAC we are going to find out, and we know the value of FAB according to the question. And if you see the question diagram, so the FAB is given to us, that is the 12 pounds. The only thing which we don't know, it is the vectorial form of FAB. So we are going to find out easily. So we know that the vectorial form of FAB, which is equal to the magnitude form of FAB into the unit vector of which the force is acting along, and in this case the F is acting along the AB, so that's why I write the AB here. And we know that the unit vector, it is equal to the vector upon magnitude. So it could be written as the magnitude form of FAB into the position vector of AB divided by the magnitude of AB. So the vectorial form of force AB, which is equal to the value of magnitude form of force AB, it is 12 into the position vector of AB, which is equal to negative 6I with positive 2J with positive 4K, divided by its magnitude, and it is 7.48. So multiply 12 with negative 6 and divided by 7.48. So it is equal to negative 9.62 I cap. Similarly, 12 into positive 2 and divided by 7.48, so which is equal to positive 3.20 J cap. And lastly, 12 into 4 with divided by 7.48, so it is equal to positive 6.41 K cap pound. Now, we successfully find out the vectorial form of force AB. So, by just plugging this vectorial form into the equation number 1, we easily find out the magnitude form of FAC. So, let's do it. Now, we know the position vector of AC. So, it could be written as RAC, that is 2I cap with negative 8J with positive 10K, into the vectorial form of force AB, which is negative 9.62 I cap with positive sign 3.20 J cap with positive sign 6.41 K cap, which is equal to the FAC, which we are going to find out, into the FAB, and it is mentioned in the question as well as the question diagram, and it is equal to 12. Similarly, multiply 2I with negative 9.62I, so it is equal to 2 into negative 9.62 and I dot I, which is always equal to 1. Similarly, negative 8J with positive 3.20J, so this could be written as with negative 8 into 3.20 and J dot J are equal to 1. And lastly, positive 10K with positive 6.41K, so it is equal to positive 10 into 6.41 and K dot K are equal to 1. which is equal to the FAC, which we are going to find out in 212. Now 2 into negative 9.62, so it is equal to 19.24. So it is negative 19.24. With negative 8 into 3.20, so it is equal to 25.6. With positive sign 64.1, because 10 into 6.41, which is equal to 64.1, which is equal to the FAC into 12. So add negative 19.24 with negative 25.6 with positive 64.1. So it is equal to 19.26. So FAC, which is equal to 19.26 divided by 12. So if you divide 19.26 with 12, so it gives us a result of 1.605 pound. Now the projected component of force F along the cable AC, it is equal to 1.605 pound. But remember that this is the magnitude form. And if the question demand us that to find out its vectorial form, so how can we do? So we know that the vectorial form of FAC, which is equal to the magnitude form of FAC into the unit vector. So the FAC, or the force F, is directed along the cable AC. So the unit vector in this case, it is nothing but the AC. We know the magnitude form of FAC, it is nothing but 1.605, and the unit vector, it is nothing but the vector upon magnitude. So this is basically the position vector, and it is nothing but the RAC position vector divided by RAC position vector magnitude. We know the RAC position vector, and it is equal to 2i minus 8j plus 10k. So this is equal to FAC, which is equal to 2i minus 8j plus 10k divided by its magnitude, and it is 12.96 into 1.605. Similarly, multiply 2 with 1.605 and divided by 12.96, so it is equal to 0.24 I cap. Similarly, with negative sign, 8 into 1.605 and divided by 12.96, so which give us a result of negative 0.99 J cap. And lastly, 10 into 1.605 and divided by 12.96, so it is equal to positive 1.23 kcal pound. Now, your question has been solved here and your concept too. So please like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends too. Jazakallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.